Hello everyone, today I will make clothes dry leg. I need 4 like this. I will explain how we will do this. First, we make a sketch, something like this. I use here the circle on display or make the line, and also the rectangle to make here down part of the leg. Everyone can change the dimension what needs. It's no problem. Everyone can do how want own dryer. I make like that. Second, I use the extrude. I choose the plane on the construction sketch. And the part of sketch what I need to make extrude. Make second extrude on this part from sketch about 3 mm. After this I make fillet on the plane, one face, this face from the sketch, and this from face from inside. Second fillet I make here up. Make 1.5 mm around like that, so I can put this on my dryer. And it's open or put the leg from dryer. I need high 30 mm. Because I have vacuum cleaner, and if I not make high the legs, the vacuum cleaner stuck my dryer. For this I make that for the vacuum cleaner not more stuck. And from this part I make mirror and have something like this. Now this is ready for use. Everyone can change how want. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel if someone has some suggestions or make something for home or use. We can make together. Thank you very much. Bye.